Welcome to this Base Lab Tools instructional video. This video is for assembling a Base Lab Tools black hardboard enclosure. All the tools you need to assemble this enclosure are included in the package. Let's get started with its components. In this package, you will find one EC1218-HB enclosure top assembly, 4 X2020-12 vertical support rails, 4 hardboard side panels, 4 standard socket head cap screws and hardware pack A for 1/2 inch and 3/4 inch breadboards, 4 low profile cap screws and hardware pack B for slimmer breadboards, and 4 thumb screws and hardware pack C. Please note that a breadboard is not included in this package. To purchase a breadboard and learn more information about our products, visit www.baselabtools.com. Now let's assemble this enclosure. Turn the breadboard such that the counterbore holes are visible. Next, insert a socket head cap screw from hardware pack A and secure the 4 X2020 vertical rails through the counterbore holes to the breadboard. For slimmer breadboards, use the 4 low-profile cap screws and hardware pack B. Once all 4 vertical rails are secured, turn the breadboard upright. Now let's install the hardboard side panels. Insert the 4 hardboard side panels along the vertical support rails such that the tops of the panels are flush with the tops of the rails. Finally, let's install the top assembly. Align the 4 corner cubes of the top assembly on the 4 vertical support rails. Use the thumb screws from hardware pack C to secure the top assembly to the vertical supports. A key feature about this enclosure is its ease of access to your equipment inside. The thumb screws offer easy rotation to disassemble and reassemble the top of the enclosure. If you wish to access the inside of the enclosure, simply loosen the screws, and lift the top assembly off. Once finished, simply place the top of the enclosure back on and tighten the thumb screws. If you wish to tighten it further, use the included hex wrench and hardware pack A. Your Base Lab Tools black hardboard enclosure is now complete. If you enjoyed this video and want to see more tutorials like this, consider subscribing. For more information about this enclosure and other Base Lab Tool products, visit www.baselabtools.com. Link is in the description below.